Hey, friends, today we are going to learn my favorite tags. Yeah, it's my favorite tags, it's a canonical tag. It's my favorite is because no doubt Google is my friend. So I don't want to confuse my Google friend. Because canonical tag remove all the confusion of Google about your website similar pages. So, let's start at that, in really interesting way, what is canonical tag? Canonical tag is an HTML tag that lets search engines know which version of the web page you consider the official or primary version when there are multiple URLs with similar or duplicate content. This is crucial to use in SEO because it helps avoid problems with duplicated content, which can further dilute your rankings and confuse search engines about which page to rank higher. Okay, I explain you in the most easiest way with an example. Let's say you have a favorite book that you keep extra copies of all over the house. One in the bedroom, another in the living room, another on the shelf. And maybe even one in your bag. They're all the same book. But if a friend wanted to borrow it, they could easily get confused and wonder which copy to take. Now, if you write a note on each book that says, "The real book is in the living room," your friend could then go find it. These tags are like a shortcut to the search engines. So, all the good qualities of your page, in terms of views, clicks, and authority, are being funneled into the version that you choose, rather than all being scattered across the multiple of duplicates. It is about telling the search engine, "Don't divide my efforts across multiple copies, focus it all here." It's like that note. It tells search engines when there are multiple versions of a page, with perhaps differing URLs or parameters. This is the main version of this page. It helps search engines from getting confused about which one to feature in search results and know which page deserves the cred. A canonical tag on the parent page tells the search engine. Canonical tag HTML code is link rel equals backslash, canonical backslash, ref equals backslash, URL backslash, and second question jump into our mind is why we use canonical tag. Avoids duplicate content issues if you have many pages that have the same content, like product pages or variations of the same page with tracking parameters applied to it. A canonical tag lets search engines know which version of the page they should prioritize so they're not treating the content as duplicate. Consolidates link equity. When many pages link to the same content, they divide the link equity, ranking potential, among them. Canonical tags allow search engines to collapse this equity into the original version, increasing its ranking potential. Improves crawl efficiency. Specifying a canonical version allows you to force search engines to crawl and index your preferred page more. And there is a chance to save their crawl budget at large websites. Reduces confusion for search engines and users. A canonical tag keeps your site structured, which makes it easier for users and search engines to navigate and find the most relevant version of the content. Protects against scraped content issues. If your content is republished or scraped by other sites, they might rank higher than you. Okay, hope you all are understand the all cycle of canonical tag without any worry. So, let's jump with me the another phase of canonical tags. Means when we apply canonical tags, what's the benefits I found in our website? Here's I explain you via points so you must understand easily. 1. Clarifies search engine confusion. Canonical tag informs the search engines which of that content of yours is actual and prevents confusion. Instead of them penalizing, it'd avoid penalization due to duplicate pages found. 2. Promotes authority about your page. Canonical tags help count all the links that are being pointed to the similar pages on one main page. This boosts the authority of a page and makes it rank higher in search results. 3. It helps search engines find your best content. Search engines do not have an infinite number of times to crawl through your site. Canonical tags instruct them on where to prioritize and make sure that all the most important pages get seen and indexed correctly. 4. Improves user experience. Reduces confusion on which page to use while helping visitors find what they are looking for quicker. Hence, the experience for them on your site becomes better. 5. Makes performance tracking simpler. All your traffic comes to one URL with canonical tags. This simplifies your analytics, and you'll be able to see how well your content is performing without the noise of multiple similar pages. 6. Increases the likelihood of more visitors. Since your preferred pages rank higher and are easier to find, you are likely to attract more visitors from search engines. 7. Builds trust with search engines. Canonical tags create a good impression of the fact that your site is well organized and professional. This helps you to build trust with search engines and, eventually, to rank better. 8. Supports your marketing activities. If you have seasonal promotions or different versions of a product, canonical tags make sure the right version gets in the spotlight and do not have any problems with duplicate content. Hope your all confusions has gone rest in peace. If this video is being helpful to you, so subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you watching.